Have you been told that eggs are the best source of protein for aging muscles? Well, what if I told you there's a natural food that not only has more protein per gram than eggs, but may actually reverse muscle loss after 60? And no, it's not some expensive supplement or exotic seed from the Himalayas. It's a food you've likely walked past dozens of times, and today we're going to uncover it together. Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Senior Secrets, where we talk about the hidden health secrets every senior deserves to know. Today's episode is all about reclaiming your strength, reducing frailty, and supporting graceful aging naturally. So sit back, relax, and let's begin this journey with compassion, science, and a few surprising truths. Let's start with a story. Mr. Harris, a 72-year-old retired teacher, loved gardening. But one spring morning, he couldn't lift his small watering can, not because of pain, but because his arms had become weak over the years. What happened? He was experiencing sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle mass with age. By age 70, many people have lost nearly 30% of their muscle strength. It sneaks up slowly, making it harder to get up from a chair, carry groceries, or even hold your grandchild. And often doctors don't catch it early enough. But here's the good news. Research shows we can slow down and even reverse this process with the right kind of protein. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein to build muscle. This means seniors actually need more protein than younger adults, not less. But not all proteins are equal. While eggs are fantastic, containing about 6 grams of high-quality protein each, there's one food that quietly beats them in both protein content and muscle-building support. Ready for the reveal? Yes? Lentils. These humble little legumes pack a surprising 18 grams of protein per cooked cup, triple the amount in a single egg. But that's not all. Unlike red meats or processed protein powders, lentils are low in saturated fat, rich in iron and magnesium, which help muscle recovery, and full of fiber to support digestion and heart health. And here's what most people don't know. Lentils contain leucine, an essential amino acid crucial for muscle protein synthesis. This is the same amino acid that bodybuilders look for in whey protein. A recent study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that seniors who consumed legumes like lentils regularly had higher grip strength and mobility scores than those who ate more animal protein. Let that sink in. A scoop of lentils may be just as powerful as your morning egg, or even more. Let's go back to Mr. Harris. After consulting with a dietitian, he began adding 1 cup of cooked lentils to his lunch every day, sometimes in soups, sometimes over brown rice. Within just 8 weeks, he noticed real changes. He could lift that watering can again. His legs didn't wobble as much on stairs, and most importantly, he felt confident in his own body again. His doctor confirmed he had gained lean muscle mass without any gym, just from walking and eating smarter. Now you might be wondering, how do I eat more lentils without getting bored? Here are a few easy and delicious ideas. Add them to a warm vegetable soup. Mix into brown rice or quinoa bowls. Blend into lentil patties for a meatless burger. Try Indian-style lentil curry known as dal, flavorful and rich in spices that help with inflammation. Soaking lentils overnight improves digestion and increases mineral absorption, especially important for those with sensitive stomachs. Lentils are a powerhouse, but they work even better when combined with other senior-friendly protein boosters. Greek yogurt, unsweetened, gives 17 g protein per cup and supports bone strength. Cottage cheese is high in casein protein for slow muscle repair overnight. Chia seeds are a complete plant protein with omega-3s. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc, magnesium, and 7 g protein per ounce. One study found that seniors who diversified their protein sources had better muscle retention and lower fall risk. So don't just stick to eggs or meat. Mix in lentils, seeds, and dairy for the best results. Of course, nutrition is only one side of the coin. To truly reverse muscle loss, light strength-based movement is essential. You don't need heavy weights. Just bodyweight exercises, light resistance bands, or chair workouts 3 times a week can make a difference. Pair that with lentils and other smart proteins, and you'll be amazed at how much stronger you feel in just 1 or 2 months. Eating protein within 30 minutes after light exercise can dramatically increase muscle repair in seniors, according to research from Tufts University. So next time someone says eat more eggs, you can smile and say, "Sure, but I've got something better, lentils." You don't need miracle pills or scary treatments to stay strong after 60. Sometimes, the best medicine is found in the most ordinary foods, like lentils, simple, affordable, and quietly powerful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It tells us we're making content that matters. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Secrets for more senior health tips rooted in kindness and science. Have you ever tried lentils in your meals? Share your favorite recipe or experience in the comments. We love hearing from you. Stay strong, stay nourished, and stay golden.